How to make $100 in a day, even if you have no skills. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money fast. Now, there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme, but there are many legitimate ways to make extra cash quickly, especially if you're willing to put in the work. Here are a few tips. 1. Sell your stuff. If you have any unwanted items around your house, you can sell them online or at a garage sale. This is a great way to declutter your home and make some extra money at the same time. 2. Freelance your skills. If you have any skills or talents that you can offer to others, you can freelance your services online. There are many different platforms where you can find freelance work, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. 3. Take online surveys. Online surveys are a great way to make a little extra money in your spare time. There are many different survey websites out there, such as Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie. 4. Start a side hustle. There are many different side hustles that you can start to make extra money. For example, you could start a blog, start a YouTube channel, or become a rideshare driver. 5. Get a part-time job. If you need to make some money quickly, you could get a part-time job. There are many different part-time jobs available, such as working retail, working at a restaurant, or working in customer service. So those are a few tips on how to make money fast. Remember, there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme, but there are many legitimate ways to make extra cash quickly, especially if you're willing to put in the work.